Hey guys, welcome once again. It's been a minute. So today we are going to be discussing basically about a project, a hackathon or a datathon. So for any person who wants to pursue a career in data analytics or data science, you need to know that dealing with projects is very essential to be able to accomplish learning new skills and stuff like that. So today we're going to be talking about a hackathon that I participated in and how it helped me in boosting my knowledge and skills in data science and data analytics. Yeah, so let's get to the video. So what we were working it basically is what this project was dealing with equity in healthcare. So basically most of us were just predicting timely treatment for a patient if a cancer patient was treated within 90 days or after 90 days. So we could be able to predict when we're given a number of factors like their location, like their age. We can be able to predict if they received their treatment timely or later, because when you receive your treatment timely, you can be able to combat the effects of the disease faster. You can be able to combat it faster, hence saving time, money, resources. It's very important to be treated in a timely manner. So this is what we were predicting using this datathon or hackathon. So it was like almost from February to March. I think it is almost ending, or it has already ended, and the submissions, the winners have already been sent and stuff like that. It has already been graded. So basically what happens in these projects is you're given it's posted on Kaggle. For those who don't know, Kaggle is a website that where challenges are held. So any challenge, either for practice or for winning money, any challenge for data science, most of them are posted on Kaggle. So they post the question, the objectives of that project and the project statement, and they post it on that channel and the data sets that you'll be dealing with. So, and also for teams, if you want to form any teams, if you want to learn data science and data analytics faster and be able to practice those skills, you most likely have to find yourself doing a datathon or a hackathon. So a hackathon is like a competition for data scientists, data analysts, the software developers, depending on whatever you're dealing with. That basically it's like a competition where you compete and find solutions to a problem. So if they'll, for example, for WIDS stands for Women in Data Science. Women in Data Science. There is worldwide, there is Kenya. So depending on where you are, they have a page on LinkedIn. You can just follow and find out whatever challenge they are holding at that point, at that moment. So the one I participated in was healthcare. It was dealing with equity in healthcare. So it's basically what I was doing was predicting if a patient receives a timely treatment. A patient is high likely to. So what happens is you're given a training data set. Training data set is like it has the predictions already. So maybe you received either timely treatment or untimely treatment. So the training data contains all of it, all of the data set with the predictions already made. Okay, so what you do is you train your model. You split the training set into part. When you split, it's to help you build the model, the first one, and then the second one is to help you predict and test the accuracy of your prediction. Okay, it's to help you to test if the accuracy of the prediction. So since the results are already there, if you split it, obviously if split it into two, maybe 70% and 30%. So this 30%, you use it to measure the accuracy. So you predict it using the model you've built with the train set, and then you predict this 30%. Okay, so from that 30%, you can be able to see how accurate your model is. So it can be 80% accurate, it predicted correctly. 80% of the data, or it predicted correctly 79% of the data, 81. Depends on how good your model is and how well you have tuned your model. Or finally, I told you you're given two data sets. You're given the training and the test. The training, you split it into two, and then you build the model with one and use the other one to test if the accuracy of the model. So from this accuracy, you can be able to now use this model to predict a data set which does not have any prediction. Now this is the test data set you're given. You're given for the challenge. So yeah, so from that, you can be able to submit your prediction, and they'll grade for you the accuracy score that you've gotten out of 100, depending on how you build your model. And then if you're the winner, if you get the highest accuracy score, yeah, you win award. You win an award or whatever. You are acknowledged. Yeah, so that's basically how the WIDS data challenge worked. And one thing I've learned from all this, from working on all this data set, because it does not take one day. You cannot finish it. You can, but because you have to learn a lot of things along the way. There's a lot of things if you've forgotten. If you're coding, there's a lot of things you've forgotten, so you have to remind yourself. So by the end of, I think mine took a long, I've not posted any video because this project took me almost 3 weeks. Not every day, but 3 weeks, as in on and off doing it. And yeah, so you'll have to make mistake, you get errors, and then you have to fix these errors. And then, there's a lot that goes into that. And then another thing is that you have to, I had a lady that we were trying to soundboard our ideas. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. I don't think I have any more information to add on that. If there's any questions on datathons or hackathons or anything that you've gained from this video, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. Yeah, and I'll be so happy to respond to you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.